In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google Calendar with ease, whether you're planning events, managing your schedule, or simply trying to keep track of your daily tasks. Mastering Google Calendar can be a game changer for staying organized, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to Google Calendar. If you're already logged into your Google account, you'll be directed right into your calendar view. If not, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. This will bring you to the main calendar interface where all your events and reminders are visible. Have a look at the calendar grid and let's choose a day to work with. Locate the date you want to focus on and click on it. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears, allowing you to create events or tasks specific to that day. This feature is perfect for scheduling new events on the fly, and it helps you manage your time effectively by adding important appointments or deadlines. Now, after selecting the day, let's explore more views in the calendar. You can see different options such as day, week, month, and even a custom view. For now, we'll focus on the year view. To do this, simply click on the year option in the menu. This is particularly helpful when you need an overview of your schedule throughout the entire year. It's a great way to plan for holidays, vacations, or major projects that may span several months. Once you're in the year view, you might want to look at past dates or plan ahead. If you need to review or plan for a previous year, you can do so by clicking on the left arrow. This action will take you back 1 year at a time, allowing you to reminisce past events or check your historical data, useful for retrospecting project timelines or organizing tax information. Should you wish to return to the present year or move forward, clicking the right arrow will navigate you through the years. This is a feature you'll often rely on for future planning, helping you stay ahead and organize activities or work commitments well in advance. Whether it's going back to the past or journeying into the future, the navigation arrows are your best friends for switching years at a glance. Remember though, practice makes perfect, and the more you explore these options, the better you'll get at managing your calendar effortlessly. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to navigate Google Calendar with confidence.